Enough time. In this lecture, in this video lecture, I will cover how to set up your computer to execute your Java program. For that, you need Java development kit. So I will teach you how to install JDK, how to set up the JDK in your computer to execute your Java program, right? So let's start this chapter. First of all, let me teach you what is JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK is basically a software program that provides the environment to develop your Java programs and to execute your Java programs. It provides a development environment to create and execute your Java programs, right? So it is basically a software that you need to download and install in your computer to execute your Java application, right? JDK, whenever you are going to install the JDK, it includes two things inside it. One is JRE and another is development tools. Now JRE means Java Runtime Environment. It again software programs. One folder you will see inside the JDK, that will be a JRE. It basically a software, it is a folder or it is a software program that provides you the environment to execute your Java programs, and you will see one bin folder. In that bin folder, you will see some Java C, Java, Java doc, jar, executable files. These executable files are works as a tools to compile your Java program, to execute your Java program, to generate the Java docs, right? This all are the exe files or executable files that you will see inside the bin folder of JDK, right? I will show you when I will teach you how to install JDK and how to download JDK, right? This software is basically a platform dependent software. Now platform, that means the operating system that you will use to execute your Java program. It can be a Mac OS, it can be a Windows OS, it can be a Solaris OS, Linux operating system. You can use any operating system. You just need to install your JDK and you have to download JDK as per your platform, right? So the software is basically a platform dependent software. When we download this software, you have to select the platform, you have to select the operating system for which you want to download JDK, right? To download JDK, let's download JDK first. Whenever you want to download this JDK, you have to just need to type. If you don't have the link, you can open the Google and you just need to type like this: JDK download. You will get the Oracle website link from which you can download your JDK, right? This is the link to download your JDK, right? Currently we need a JDK 1.8, so that you have to type JDK 1.8, or you can write, download it from the same page also. Here is the versions of JDK. We require JDK 1.8 to execute our programs. You just need to click on this link, JDK download. Download from this link, you will get one executable file, right? That file you can download and just press the downloaded file and install it in your computer. I have already downloaded this file and I'm going to install this software in my computer so that you can get the idea about it, right? See here, I have downloaded this JDK 251 here. I'm going to install this program in my computer. By clicking on this downloaded file, just click on the download file and give the permission yes to install it. Right? You will get one window for installation. It will take some time. You will get this window. You just need to press the next button. When you press the next button, it will show you the JDK wizard. You just need to press the next button. The installation will take some time. See here, the software is going to install. It will show you where you want to install this JDK. By default, the path is C drive, program files, Java, then GRE 1.8 version of the GRE, right? If you want to change this path, then you can click on the button change. Otherwise, you can you can press just the next button, right? See here, the 3 billions of devices having the Java, they all are working on the Java. The devices like ATM, smart cards, POS system, terminals, the setup box, these all are using the Java to run their programs. So you will get this window, why Java is important, right? You will get this window, 3 billions of devices are working on the Java, right? So this installation is going to complete now. It will take some time. You will get this window, close this thing. You just need to press a close button. Right? Now after completion of installation, you have to set the environment variable, path environment variable. This environment variable is basically locate the tools of compiler and executors, right? Basically, you have installed the Java and you want to execute your Java code, .java files. For that, you need Java C compiler, and for execute your code, you need a Java, right? Java interpreter. This both are the exe file, executable file, which is stored inside the JDK. But computer don't know where is the JDK. To locate this Java C and this Java, you have to set one variable which is called as a path environment variable. The value of this variable will be used by a compiler to compile your .java files. That means it will automatically find out where is the Java C, and Java C will be used by your computer to compile your Java code. For that, you have to set the path. Currently, I have not set the path in my computer. So what will happen in my computer? You just need to open your command prompt. You just need to press start button and just press the command prompt by writing the CMD command prompt. You will get this window, right? In this window, you just need to write Java C and press the enter. You will get something about your Java. Java is installed in my computer, so it is showing me Java is installed. If your Java is not installed in your computer, then it will show some error, Java C is not recognized, right? To set this path variable, what you have to do, you have to follow some steps to set the path variable. First of all, find out the location of your JDK, Java JDK installation directory. Then copy that path. Then you have to set this path of a JDK inside the My Computer properties in an environment variable. In that setting of environment variable, you will get one text field for variable name and another text field for variable value. In variable name, we will use the variable name path, and variable value, we will use the location of the JDK bin folder, right? So let's start how to set this path environment variable in your computer to execute your Java program. To set the path environment variable, first of all, you have to open the location of JDK where in which path your JDK has been installed. Just open that path in your computer. In my computer, JDK is installed inside the C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.8. You will get a two folder, JDK 1.8 underscore 251. This is the version that we have downloaded right now, and it is installed in my computer. You will get one folder, this bin, right? This bin having all the exe files. See here, this is the exe of Java executor. This is the exe of Java C, Java compiler. You will get the Java doc, as well as this is the application of a Java document generation application. Now, these all are called as the tools of Java. These tools are available in JDK bin folders, right? And we have to use these tools to compile and execute our program. So we are just copying this path of our tools in our clipboard. For that, you just need to click on the address bar, press the Ctrl C and copy this path. After copying this path, you just need to right click on the My Computer. Just go inside the computer, then right click on the My Computer, then press the Properties option. In your Properties option, press the Advanced System Setting. In your Advanced System Setting, select the Advanced tab, then select the Environment Variable button. Now, you will get two options, Users Variable Setting and System Variable Setting. Users Variable Setting will affect to the single user, and the System Variable Settings affects that value to all the users of your computer, right? So you can set the path in the users variable as well as system variable, both, right? Currently I am using users variable, right? Because I want to set only for the Kalpan user, for the value of path I want to set only for the single user, right? So I am pressing to set the path variable, just press the new button. Then what should be the name of our what is the name of our environment variable? Path is an environment variable, right? And what is the value of our environment variable? It should be the installation directory of JDK and folder of bin path of a JDK folder, right? So this, and press the OK button, you will get this value over here. Now, it might be possible there are path variable already exist in your computer. At that time, you just need to search the path variable, then press the edit button, and don't remove the already existing path variable in your computer. You just need to press the semicolon, then paste the path of your JDK. So your existing path variable value will be as it is, and your new value will be appended with the path variable. So don't remove if path variable is already exist. You just need to press a semicolon, then paste the new JDK bin folder path over here, right? and press the OK button. Currently, I am having only single JDK path variable setting, right? So I am only using that path. Press the OK button and close all the windows, right? Now, after closing all the windows, you have to restart your command prompt and you have to check like this, Java C, then press the enter, right? If you want to know the version, you can press Java dash hyphen version and press the enter. You will get your Java version. It is 1.8.0.251, right? So this is the setting of environment variable. Now onwards, you can execute your Java program by using this JDK, right? So